I don't want my wave right now, you know, youth. Right now, I just feel like growing up, just going on here, just go box him. Yo, Chosen even know what am I doing, youth. Yo, wonder if Chosen know say your man I'm mad. Alright. Me and I'm straight around the yard, me I go right now. Take man for fool. I'm going something.
Good ginger tea.
Hey, Chosen, I don't know, see around here, yard, me not come.
So
Like
can't come, so why
hey,
problem? We can't move so aggressive.
box me for box so long, you know.
What?
Where you come around here, people, them yard for? Eh? You know left, man?
See, you move on with that girl and a show off for me.
Hey, me text it now. Broke up, hey.
Come on, we tell her you're pregnant.
Eh?
You push me on the back and you to make people them dog about.
Chosen, where you see you pregnant for sure?
Pregnant? You stop the foolishness. Come on, make you people them dog about.
So Chosen a friend when I'm pregnant.
You don't know for when, look how much time you don't know.
Chosen, they know you just tell me this, Chosen.
I'm for telling you, move on and show up for that girl.
Chosen, I show me I miss me things, them. Chosen, me not believe you, know.
I swear to God, I'm pregnant.
Chosen, me no want no baby, I know. Why you tell me about pregnant?
What do you mean? So we do that for them?
Chosen, I don't mind, Chosen.
What do you mean?
All the while me use condom.
Don't say that, cute. Don't say
So Chosen, what you expect me?
I'm pregnant for you.
Yo.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yes. Yeah, make my friend know. Yes. Wait until Mr. Falan. Wait until Mr. Falan.
Sister, Falan, no call me. Jesus. You really got your bed vexed with me and wake up vexed with me? I feel vexed. You know, people have to go to their bed, so you know. Falan, you can't tell me how to go on my bed. Me pray before me go on my bed. Me just not deal with you. I mean, I want you to deal with me, so if you your mind, stop, sister. I mean, I'm going to have all things in you. What kind of things, baby? I mean, say what kind of things? Just slow me, Falan. Me make little tea for you. That's all that. Nobody else make little tea for you, man. Just make little tea for you. Wait there. Why? Sister, see the Falan, if you ever can auntie, come give me dash it for you. Jesus, you want this figure? Let me tell you, me burn up you with the auntie. After you carry my worst enemy come in here, so my man ex. You can't come in here, so you come say your man ex-sister. Plus thing, I'm a friend from school there. You and she can be friend. I'm your sister and then she go there, come look for you and they go end up and chat me with you and then something. Me don't know that. Alright. You see she reach us now.
Me a try avoid her. Me go you me choose.
Falan, try and do it to the. Do it, let me see.
First impression last night, sister first. As the girl come for meet you, she in a man problem. Me would you come back here for me?
Do it, make me see. So your uncle can't say it now, but for now, do it, make me see.
Action speak louder than word for you.
Yes, that me I say. You know I say you just a stir up things cause a whole heap of things me have your under watch for you know. You must feel see a joke. Make sure you not talk to that girl there. Anyhow you see her, don't talk to her. If she come here, she not go come here. Wouldn't think she go out
she about to
and
come back here,
here.
sister.
And she call you, don't talk to her.
Look about the gas man, come I know what's the gas in you.
Gas.
Left little bit for me.
Go and go chout for yourself, but left little bit for you. Now me a the tea come get. My bun you up with you must think say me come right down.
You really want this figure me? Sister, I sugar down.
If me did wicked, me tell you to go use salt.
Are you that get the salt for drink?
No, me have this already, so you have to go sweeten for you with salt. You see, show me not bad man, me go and give you some. Come slow.
Oh, really that you say, sir? Chewing sugar down now me.
Come before me change
Give
my
me
mind.
some of that day.
Me go and give you. Get one cup or you come.
Left liquor for me, drink and left.
Sit down right there, sir.
Left for me in a cup.
And don't count how much spoon me I take.
Drinky do.
Fala, I'm dead serious, you know, you feel left out that girl company, no.
Me say me a avoid her. Me a avoid that the girl there. She not make nothing happen to me with my family member.
And you see if you're there yard?
And it better she go
You
on.
see if you're there yard? And you see Nick come and in the car, I'm in the year.
Me not share time again.
Invite him
Me
over.
not share time again. Me not share time for nothing.
Make him come in and me now go tell you.
If you rain a fall, lightning strike him out there.
I think you get this a tea because it's a tea hot. But I don't want to come out of yard because it's a sister now. Me and her now.
You can't make sense of one long seed boy come between me and you.
You're big seat.
Falan!
That's why I did want to squeeze them and crack them film out there and broke him bird neck.
Somebody I call you.
Falan, Gelly!
There.
How you know?
Oh, that vice the sound so.
Familiar.
Sit down. Don't go there. None of we not answer. You tell me, say you not chat to her, you know. Make she call so till I bit a God boss.
You said you tell us you're not there.
Remember said me go give you some of my tea. When you go down and line down there so.
Me I go look for you, girl.
Falan don't go. You see if you go, me I go tell
Give me some of
mommy
my
say,
tea then.
Take something and go. Don't go.
Alright, give me more.
Falan! Make it boy that girl go along about her business now.
You want to drive nail in her?
More than nail, me want driving her. She look a bush now.
They go get rid of her once and for all.
Falan, me
sister.
said don't go. You not go like it, you know. You not go like it. Don't go out there. Me say make she stay out the road and call me.
Let me just make sure nobody come over here then.
What the fuck? Me not drink no more tea. Falan, no go.
If you rest for me.
I can't take it back with her sister because she come like she share our mango. I can't whole vibes of a man. Falan! Man, we don't want nobody in them time, yeah.
You know, hear me say you not fit go.
Sister, let me just go get rid of her girl.
Don't go. Make the girl stay
Me
out
not make
there.
you come 1 foot
I said you
further.
fi keep follow me and your sister.
I'm a friend of me and her go to school.
You just promised me a while
I'm a
ago
study
say,
friend.
Me not business. You're done with school long time.
Alright, let me make sure.
She ain't gonna take people man to school and that she ain't gonna teach you if you not go out there. Follow not go, you not listen. You see, you
Sister, the school
not
now.
lose your sister, you know?
Me not lose you.
Me
Me not want to lose your sister. Let me just make sure you come further now.
Stay with me, make me see. Stay with me, no go. You're not coming like you not listen. Me not drink no more tea.
Let me rest for me then.
Hey, yeah.
Me a come, hold on.
It's a girl.
One money for bangarang. Girl, I want thing you have to tell us your days they numbered. And if you have to go lift up and left your place and see, you know. Yes. Me can't bother with it. No, better we left you so I go talk. So me right now, me not even can make she knows.
Me can't take it mix up.
Because she tell her, say me I come get rid of you.
Me say me have fallen palm, peak watch. Anyhow she slip, she slide.
This hotter than what go on there, sir?
Me say me a coming out. Me a come girl as me a come out so. Me see one can't sing out and me look good. Me see a boy so me go say bam.
Bam, sir.
But girl, the boy run up on me and hold up on my throat because he come like I say invex. He come like invex too. You know the little thing that go down other day with the sister.
Lord, I mean, my sister run out, come out, come and give a big stone either too, you know.
But girl, me can't bother me soon come.
Because you know, see, are you out there, you know? Me tell her, so me come out, come get rid of you because she said, my sister, me know, so me have to choose, you know.
Jesus.
But no, me can't bother to choose right now, me
But
tell her.
Falan, me a good friend, Falan.
Yes,
You know me no one
I
bad
remember,
person.
say I go get money from the man
I
now.
have to get some of my money, girl.
Then that's why me dey lag
But girl, me
on.
no know if me no know if he take it bit. Because you say me tell
He
you,
take it
pregnant. My ball out, I'm
He
pregnant.
take it.
And you
Thought
know,
brace
me
the belly
a-
for her
you
now.
girl, know me, I cannot put on a look away. But wait, no girl. He calm down, you know, and kind of jump in the vehicle and drive out. Me no know, me no call you or text me, you no call me, or nothing. But me want to
Wait,
know,
look at
girl.
me, if it get look drawn out, you ring him. If you ring and no answer, you text him. Why you look so fast?
But girl, you know me can't take the problem, you know, because you know how me stay. You know,
And me can't help you, and me can't take no lead.
me no want to come between the whole family thing, because you know you're my good friend like that.
Yes.
Falan. But me have to give you the tea, girl.
Just like that.
Long argument in the wall with the dirty girl and me tell him say if don't go there. Wait so till she come back over here. Just wait.
Alright.
Well, me get the money and share with you, you know.
Share with me. And make sure so when you come back you wear something with pocket. Eh? You say enter here wear something with pocket. Oh.
Yeah,
and the
sure.
girl and the panty them and with pocket now, you know.
Me see you, girl.
Look for the panty them we wear with pocket.
Girl, me keep it up there, girl.
Alright. Alright, chosen. Jesus have mercy upon me now.
Give me all the faith, God. Give me all the strength, God. And where you go, sister?
Not touch me and not ask me nothing. Hey, Falan, I will kick you down. Don't. Falan, just slow me, man. Me not tell you. You do what you want to do, and me I do what me I do. Falan, not touch me, not follow back on me, not talk to me. Doesn't talk to me, okay? You understand that now?
You not even give me a chance to talk.
You don't forget no chance for talk.
When me tell you, say I'm going to go tell her to lift up and left the place.
And you feel say me fi believe that me there win at the peak. And me see you out there in a long chatting with the girl.
So me can't come where you go.
Come with who? Come with who? Me? For you come tell her for me Falan.
Me tell her for you before.
Now why you mix me up? Don't why you mix me up?
But me tell you, so me tell the girls if you left the place and don't come and come down, my sister damage you, no come back.
You
Me
should
say
have
for
my
peaceful
back.
life.
But you look like say you is against me, so stay to
So
yourself.
sister, me have your back, your front, your side, and everywhere. Don't worry yourself.
Not my front. Take my front out of this. I not even think about my front.
Sister, me can't come with where you come.
Hey,
You mash up me
Tell
chest.
me give one big stone in the door, follow me up, man.
Me back.
Watch how me go up there.
I money I go look for sister.
You have you ask me about say if I man me I go look for follow me better you go on in. Alright. Ask me nothing, me just a go walk by myself. Anywhere me end up, me end
So
up.
me can't walk with you.
Walk with who? If you can tell her for head, eh?
What me tell life on you before?
Follow me, say if you avoid me. Follow me, you not avoid.
You see, you can't mix
Oh, you
two.
just a run. Alright, wait till me come back.
Sister, me not turn by myself and drink no tea again.
Gonna am shit then.
Me finish am shit. I may fly take who? It's alright, man.
Not even flying, I want you falling. Cause not even flying, I want you to fly down pan. You sick fly tomorrow.
I the girl if you go look for and call her happy because she a toilet pest. Not me. God have mercy. My friend, my sister, now nothing to do with me now. My friend, at least she gonna give me a little chop off her money where she get.
So the boy in a house for a man and not come out. Look how it's so hot, man. I don't know what I'm doing. One little relationship and I'm going so. A multiple relationship me been through, I'm still there firm. The one relationship the boy I make him look like say my two finger like he no use, I no sense. Yo. I don't know why I see that the girl there. God know. God know I don't know why I see that girl there. Sure. I should have chopped your heart too, you know.
What, me see you put in the work, man.
You see me I put in the work?
Yeah.
Go on, man.
Me should have do it in the butt. Tell the truth. You can't manage you now. You know, some would have do it. But
You watch them play them though.
we don't start watch them. We don't start
You
watch
must
them.
start watch play them and chop it.
Not even feel the vibe to do that right now. You know, I tell the truth.
No man, you get from bad to work now. No.
I'm about to work.
You move to a lazy man.
I'm a lazy man. Me
Get
a
yourself
try.
together man, cheer yourself.
Me a try eat, but that take a while.
Heal?
Yeah.
Somebody cut you?
No, for the relationship, me and daddy, you don't know what thing already.
Yes, man.
Me a try eat, but me a
Listen,
tell
man, you're a young man, you're just a start. You don't know start yet. You understand? So you can't make one relationship knock you down on the ground. Get up, man. Get up. You understand?
Alright, we're going to deal with the plate, them here. And clean up the place.
What I'm going to do with the plate them and clean up place,
Alright.
man?
Happy. Hi.
Daddy, me soon come here.
What do you mean by you soon come? Oh, wait, they go come here. Well, go on, alright?
Yeah, man, me there, man.
So
That boy, me I send to watch them play them in there.
Watch
Go on
them,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah,
So
yeah.
look up. You know?
Up
Me
on the
soon come,
road.
me soon come. I deal with the plate, them and come back. Half a man.
No, man, you're a young girl. I say, what you say now, Brittany?
Up on the road, me I come did want little company. I'm there to come.
Oh.
Me go up on the beach to have a one-on-one kind of.
Girl want company, yo. You don't see that, my boy?
No, me don't want to go on, me don't want to go road today.
Chop.
You don't want to go on the road?
Every time I call
Look
the
for the
phone,
girl,
they
look for the girl.
always no want to come. Why?
Go on with the girl.
Come on,
Go
let's
on with the girl,
stop.
my boy.
Me
Check
and
if
him
you
go
wash
on the
your
road.
face. Wash your
after,
face for a
okay?
morning.
No man in Facebook, alright, come
Face look
on.
alright.
Come on and stop.
Go on, man.
Yeah,
Me
girl.
wash the plate them. Don't worry about that. Me wash the plate them. Go on
I
and
see
you.
you grow chocolate, girl.
I'm not doing like that. I don't know what happened to him.
Come on.
Take care of him,
Come
man.
on. Always.
Me soon come here, daddy.
Go on the road, man. You don't have to come back. Once a day, Brittany, alright.
Yes.
Take your mind off of the one, man. She never want you. And one way love it, I go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, look.
All right.
Can I get the feeling?
Can I ask? Yeah. I'm gonna have fudge, right? There we go. I'm gonna have one thing. You have one with chocolate outside and chocolate inside. Yeah.
So slightly that here's enough. Oui, yeah.
You go come on. What you want? What for this?
350.
350. Alright, give me that ice cream. Coffee and what is it?
Chocolate.
Yeah.
What price are you? 250.
Give me 300. Mix it up. I see everything in the juice.
Shoot you me one. The one here. The banana split.
When name again?
Banana split. Nice. They're good.
Props.
Oh. Thank you, sir.
Can I get last one, please? Yeah? When I see you will see me back soon. Alright. Come on.
Do you know what this?
Ano pa rin sa niya mo?
No, I want to sit down. Chat to you. When I asked for some ice cream, they're gonna give me some. But yet then a place, I tell girl about oh, she must see again.
Brittany, you know when we give you ice cream, you have the wrong impression and feel like somebody in that thing. Brittany, you tell you already, me been hurt.
But chat me been tell her say, me understand I'm way weird. That I mean some bro, you just take things in a wrong way. I don't know what's wrong with you. You make it seem like saying every woman is the same thing. Not because I get hurt in your past, that simply means I'm gonna do the same to you. You just
Brittany, me can't know. I mean, people never know say she would have hurt me. Alright, come.
no one on chopping off your dirty mouth. I joke me and make.
Same thing, if me there, I see me going to cheat me.
But I joke me and make chopping. Like seriously? You can't take one joke? Bro, you need to act better.
I got free my man, you know. What for me, I feel me still. One.
I'm not gonna hurt you, just at least.
But wait, they no chop like that with woman. They no chop it, they go on like say, in and they give me bun all along. Have woman pan date, you know, just find this a woman, you know, a long time he have that the girl there.
Listen, just please, me I beg you, just make it 2 hours, we just start something. Alright, give me 2 weeks then. We start talk from today, and within the 2 weeks time, you're going to choose if I want to stay or if I want to leave.
And in that 2 weeks, I'm not going to just pretend and say I'm going to do this and do this.
Me not gonna
Just
pretend,
try,
Choppy.
just be yourself. Anything I'm happy.
Choppy, for you know, me not always be myself.
Yeah, but me I say, no. You want to do it.
Like, I'm not gonna pretend. Right now, one of days I waste my time because a lot of men out there are willing to talk to me and me push them one side because I want you.
Jesus Christ, no wonder why when time I tell him say over, you know, to go on now, we up in our feelings, you know, cause no say when they give me bun, everything good.
You're only 2 week chance.
Well, let us hold bad. Like you done the ice cream, we can take a walk and talk about more
I
stuff.
tell you now, they get the 2 weeks, don't mess up.
Me not mess up, Choppy. You can't just hold your hand.
I don't know business with him, you know. Me watch him and see where they go. You know, say chop lad where have woman, you know. Me know that's why I never have no money for give me. You know, them are sitting here now. And this make me worse that can't let off a rich man.
Brother, forward there, brother. How you doing this, man? Yeah.
Oh, I go on, man. How things with you?
Well, me there go on the right, you know.
Well, give her thanks, man.
They are go on the right, man.
Sure. So things with you?
Me just see what I go and invention everything and see everybody have
I'll give her thanks, brother.
thing have gone good, man. Yo,
Mm.
you see little thing we see down on the market there. And the craft market down at the place there. We book up and chop your girlfriend.
Oh, okay.
You want to know say?
Yeah.
Them break up.
What you say to me?
Yeah, man, them break up, man.
So that simple me say that day when we see a girl that means say,
Yeah, it
have problem then, man.
So right now, when they did a bad up yourself like you want to violate the little youth, are you lying wrong? Because they left and we never know. You understand?
Never see a lane without a tunnel. So me I wonder could I mash up that relationship there.
Yeah, man, my son, he love that one, man.
Channel.
I road, man, I don't know.
Yes, man, but my spirit ain't to give me to that woman this day. I not really like her, you see me? But I'm never try still, you see me? But since as them break up, I'm sorry if you know somebody see all the young Mr. Road and go say, boy, Ray, I could have caused my life. You know what I say? Yeah, man, but you see what you don't know? You don't know. But that's just part of life, you know what I say?
That is it.
Okay. Don't go, maybe you can move on now and thing, you know?
My singer. Smile. Smile. No, smile.
Over beach, then they go. They go watch him. Girl, look back, so.
So where you want to chop him there now?
Why? I will tell her, remember Brittany?
Yeah.
But Brittany come out this morning and judge me out of yard, which me glad.
Oh, you see a little one there?
Yeah, man, the same one that just come back in that place.
Yeah.
So I'm glad he gone clear here.
You know, one nice little feel that feel.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
And then you know one another for money.
Yeah.
Some of that like.
And a young people them too.
Yeah.
You look young and the next. You understand what I say?
Yeah, look a bit younger.
Yeah, you look young and the next one.
We see what about them too.
Well, I'm glad for me nephew still. I'm glad for you, you see what I say? You know, I feel shoes the boy I follow, you know.
Nah, man, I must say, I want
Fear
man.
footstep,
I want
man.
man there, man.
I feel footstep, man.
You know.
Wait, push me.
You know, put the phone in my pocket. Come.
Yeah, we're laughing like a bitch. No!
Girl, you jump out there, come on.
You can't do that.
Come on, girl. Look how fun we have a here, so come on, man.
You can't push you, sir, and stop do that. Take time, man. Man, make it pop with me, you know.
This not pop, man. This is come like it here for ancient days.
That feels like so much. Yeah, watch you so.
Oh?
You know, it looks
Wait. You don't see nobody. Go for watch it.
no, imagination. Come on, then.
I'm going to say imagination, car. You know me not see nobody. You like it?
Me tell if you push me, stop. Choppy, some man go broke. Stop, no man. Stop. Me now go back in there.
Come on, man.
Your time.
Come on.
Your time.
Come on. No, it's a woman thing.
No,
You ever
man.
see man swing a swinger?
Of course. Sit down now.
No, you ever see man swing a swinger?
Of course. Just sit down. No, I'm pushing.
You ever see man swing a swinger?
What do you mean?
Come on, man. Come on. Come. Take me now, go should be hard.
Let me turn. No.
Me now push it hard. Come on now.
Choppy, me don't want you to push. Let me sing by myself while you're watching. Stop pushing me. Stop pushing me.
Come now. Alright, come, me go in there.
No, you have to turn around.
No, me better that way. Come on now.
Wait.
Brittany, where you go? Brittany! Brittany!
How are you?
Shayna! Yeah, the lawyer.
Chappy, I mean, so I may do that.
You know, say Britney tell me say it's somebody. I mean, never believe her. So we are spy for me for.
Who that spy on your chap lad?
So we are doing so that if I not spy,
Chappy,
Shayna.
me I go about my own business and me fear. And guess what? I just say you're there with woman because obviously you did have.
Oh, wait.
No breaks me.
Wait.
How old is Chappy?
Hey, shut up.
Leave
You're
it to the
talking
bomb,
chap
eh.
lad.
We are chat about shut up.
Shayna, remember saying you're not there
Pass
again.
to your little chihuahua,
You left,
cause
you left.
me
We are
not
catch
there.
him up.
Pass to your little chihuahua.
Chuck your little
Because
mongrel.
obviously now, you have your long time
No,
in a chap
Who you the
lad.
call girl? Who you the call girl?
Come here, come
Chappy,
here.
take this out time. Chappy, if you don't want me kill it, move it.
Shayna, first and foremost, remember saying you left me.
Shayna, what's the way you
That's why
want
me
me?
name, we should learn my name so quick, so you easy to catch on. See how you catch on for my man quick, so you come to catch on.
Hey,
for
no.
me.
Don't worry
So you're not
yourself. I know
easy.
your man are gonna meet have him locked her and talk to
Obviously
you that.
because him have your palm beach side in the sun and
So Shayna,
Oh,
you
your
have
son
some
hurt.
reaction. You have
Your
some
son
reaction.
hurt.
So, you know move on already.
What you mean,
You-
says me
you-
no
you
move
no
on,
fine man for me,
but
Shayna.
chap lad, this look like a long
When me
time.
there, me had
Chappy,
a cry and my father helped me, you know.
Me no
When
know
you
of
there,
that. Me no
and
know
then
of
she
that.
come along.
Chappy, me and you just left.
Girl,
Where
listen
find
up.
time to find
Listen
woman
to me,
so far?
listen to me.
Come out of this, Chappy.
No,
move.
come on, tell me to
Chappy,
come out of
move this out of my way and
listen,
Chappy
I'm
before
my
you.
man now. And you can't do nothing
Girl,
about
if
it.
me never left a man, you couldn't get him.
No worry yourself, girl. Just come out.
Hey, no, chop me again.
Chuck you again.
Chop me again. Come out of way and make she chop me. Move, make she chop me again, no chop lad. Chop lad.
You know what?
Relax,
Hey,
relax,
girl, chop me
relax.
again, no girl.
Relax, Shayna.
Chop you know me, no. Tell her if you touch me again, chop lad.
You know what? I'm gonna leave you alone. You see, since as me I defend
Wait,
you,
go-
I defend girl Chappy, you leave me alone. I hear a vibe.
Go look for a sheet to brush your hair, Chappy. You see like
Shayna,
how she
what
go
you
and
do?
get flick her back. Me a lick your back.
You know why you go on so I show me the beat to man, Shayna.
Me no business what you want to say no Chappy, because guess what? One little $900 suit, you cannot buy me. And you say you don't have no money. You to the pan beach side with girl.
Oh, really?
Me sorry, swing
Listen,
song
listen.
never went pop down. Shut up.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Sometime in life, you have to be patient. And you wasn't that patient one day.
Not tell me nothing. Right now in ice cream when you're around yesterday, eat. It costs more than $900.
Look here, we don't have time to argue with you. You see, with the patient, you see envelope me give, you would have look bad.
Patient man right ass. Go and buy your business. Go and buy your business. Everything good, chap lad. Run, go and back your little idiot girl. Make a good thing say me did left you already. But it's only bad say me did meet you and your broke days.
She want money to drive and me walk foot, you not go want me. But me see two side of you, you know. You're alright, man, you're good. I should probably bring the guard. Never run on such a day.
Jeez, I'm pay you what I want me go there, man. I want me get myself in a part of that shit.
How my phone there? Calling me right now. Oh,
Cha-cha card you out. All the girl tell me say she a breed. Yo, right now me no want no pitney, you know. You better go name that. Oh.
none of this a riches and not pass me. Answer. Come on, you know me get caught up in this controversy here. I'll take a love.
Yo, this can't work, you know. This can't work, virgin. How long me and this woman a left and she a come tell me say she a breed? Hold on, baby, what's up?
Hi, how are you? Even though I'm angry at you, you know, I'm still gonna fight you when I see you. Oh.
Right now, I'm not even in a good mood, you know, baby.
And I talking mood.
With who? We ain't not talking with me?
Me can call about later.
In which mood? You have in a mood to talk to me here. I want thing me I say, get rid of that girl and get rid of the other one. Yeah, them not have nothing good to go on. So just make it break up and talk to me.
I can even understand what go on now, my girl.
Ah, listen, me they fight and they fight and me I lick you for real, you know? Oh. Me I lick you for myself, and myself me I lick you for. But I feel so me a fighter for my sister or a fighter for your girl. Me a fighter for myself. My sake, for my love, me a fight for.
At one time you get a touch up, I think. Oh, you behave so, man.
Me they fall, and right now me too gone head over heels.
Me no like how you plan to separate down to a option, you know, because...
What the fuck? Which part of it? Which part of it? Come here, me stay right now.
Well, me can't tell you that right now.
Which part of it? Where are you? Come here to see her right now.
Like an eye, yo, man. Well, and just call no babes, me can't tell where me them, man. Just, yo, look come on.
You know what me I gonna do? Me I gonna tell me sister, you know. Me I tell me sister, say you great. Me I tell me sister, say hold me and take it. Tell me sister.
No.
Tell me sister, everything.
We're on a browning bar. What do you follow, man? You can't run like a joke. You're too serious, man. We're on a browning bar, man. Hurry up and come, man. We're on a browning bar, man. Just hurry up and come, man. Yeah, man. The bus park up right there around the bar front right there, man. Oh, God, man. And that you even do, man, but Fallon, please, don't make your mouth slip. You can't tell babes that, man. Here? Ross, Fallon, hang up. Hey. Can't make Fallon do that sitting there.
Brittany!
Bro, just leave me alone.
Brittany, what on up? Look at that girl there, man. Girl, what on?
Just leave me alone now. Just leave me alone.
You hear me say it and I like, me know me mean it. You try to say me say it that way there, and I saw me
You
mean it. Me mean like,
me
listen up.
hand, so.
Okay, no. Sorry.
Oh, you're sorry. After I make a girl disrespect me, you're sorry.
I know my woman, my ex-woman. Listen,
Oh,
listen me up.
ex-woman. You should have been on my side, Chappy. You never there on my side, you're on the girl's side.
Listen up.
And
Listen
then
up,
after you
listen
say I want to talk for work out, not true.
Listen up.
One thing I can't tell them, I'm not going to this a relationship and take no disrespect and no boy and tell you that straight.
My man tell her say, I mean, you hear me say it and I saw you go, but through me anger the time. That's why
Oh,
you
so
come out,
every time when I'm angry, I'm going to try and
no,
take
me
out
mean
things
say,
from me.
I mean say, if you be angry the situation, that I mean.
Trust me, Chappy, I don't know what else to say to you. I swear to God, I don't know what to say to you.
You can know? I'm sorry.
You accept an apology? Yes, but I not forgot. Try remember that. And if you want to talk for workout, you have to go try and find a way to make it up back to me. Because now it's so easy. Remember that. See, you must know. Decide your mind for now.
Alright, call me tomorrow. We take you.
No, you can't link me. So you want to make up back things? Why me to come a your yard? You know it's for me live.
Of course, we need for you live.
Exactly. So why you can't come to me then?
It's easier for you to come to me.
Oh, you mean it easier? Oh, that makes sense.
Alright, me I come. Put on something nice.
Me not nothing nice.
You hear me? Me I tell you. I know you have body for a nice place. Remember me know you. So don't lie to me, but you not no nice thing.
Okay, Chappy. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Can I give me a hug?
Not no, because
Come
I'm
on.
listen, I'm not there for that.
Come on.
Yo, listen, man.
Just calm down.
Alright, later.
Yeah, man, I heard that some of them, right? That's some of them. But there, man, all things.
Night and shining armor.
Everything good.
Yes, thank you.
See, I see it, there, man. So,
So me not cheat you bad now.
boy, I'm not tell no
But you
lie.
figure so little in your back door.
No, I know, right now, a little 35 of my mind, a little
And
waste.
45 that.
Boy,
The bus pan
you
rapid.
go and good with it, you know.
That Jesus.
Boy, I tell you, see, man. So where I run go now?
Me no know. You look like you there for a reason, you know.
Right. And I really say reason, you know, but you know, say, it's a man thing, you know, it always come out.
So what you could have think about so? My sister gone on the road from morning, you know. And now she no come back. You try call her?
Right now, I never call her, you know, believe me, man.
Me not try call her either. Rest like how me there so. So what you could have drink so far? First me see her drink. How long me know you me never see her drink yet? Something wrong. Or you think about something? Love have your way, but I would do too much love.
That's
You know,
cool,
it's easy with that because we know if we love perfect.
That's cool,
right
yeah.
now.
Yeah,
You know what we
that's
can do? We can chase the Chapman this, you know. Yeah, because you get a fast car and I get a ticket to get us anywhere.
Baby, I one thing though. You know, if you put a smile on my face in a car
Every
right
time.
now, I feel down, you know.
Yes. And we really want to move out of house, my sister. So you have money to So you know say, we can rent a nice place, I'll get land and build
what
house.
make you want to move out of your sister?
Come sister no top job bungy and kick me off her bed.
Oh God, man. I'm gonna sell 2 cow and give money, man.
Sometimes I feel like she go choke. Sometimes if hold her nose and make she stop and stop her breath for she stop.
One thing do, you know, we go up on the road, you know, but we kind of, you know, we don't want to play no hide and seek one way, but...
Get rid of them.
Me know why your sister suspect nothing, you know. You know, say I don't like bank, my plan to go car.
I put my name in the account.
I have a piece of money for give you, but you just pop up. I don't like give surprise, you know. Surprise,
So what,
me
me
not plan
can't
to
drink
surprise.
nothing too?
I mean, man, a beside me a drink, you know.
Wow. Help me.
Oh my God. No, you have to drink yourself.
No, be a ladies gentleman.
No, but who me put too much?
I will tell you where to stop.
Drink up. Taste it for me if you like it.
This is okay.
Oh, see me have ice here too, you know.
No, I don't want to ice. Cheers.
Cheers for good life
No.
and 5 kids.
And me you go there forever
5 kids.
and ever, amen.
Yeah.
Happy ever after you're there.
Yeah, man, one of my boys them to play baseball and one to play tennis. You know?
Yes.
Yeah, one in Australia, cause they have to travel, you know.
No, none of them be no cricketer.
No,
Ducks
man.
them man they go fire now.
No, man, you don't worry about that. So when I plan to move out of your sister's house.
Anytime you want me to move out. Kafar. Jesus, I want to go on your son.
I hope she no look back. Do God
Okay.
no make she look back.
No make she look back. But see her.
What we have to tell her, say?
Better tell her, say, look, we go look for her. And she we are drive up and down and look for her.
Alright.
Me not stay no longer with you either. Then
Shayna.
have more to say.
Shayna, baby. From morning we are drive up and down look for you now. Where when there?
Are you here look for her, sister?
You know what I say?
I
It's
say,
only
Miss
one thing I regret in my
Jesus.
life, and I did day when me did end up have to choose you. No call me name. Don't call
Shayna.
me name. And for you follow, no call me name neither.
I say really
You
stay.
finally get what you did want.
I see you stay.
I saw me stay.
your
I saw you
sister.
want
With her, come in contact with
Your
her.
sister, me see.
come in away.
Come on, contact with
Come
him
out
there.
away. Contact who?
So what make you
Look
have here,
here.
say Shayna?
Look here.
You me a drive up and down and look for from morning.
You
now.
want to hear nothing. Look here.
First thing, call him.
Call him? No, you call him.
Call
No,
him.
sister, get
No,
your number
lie,
because-
she a tell. She
Sister,
look up.
tell me not no.
Follow
Where
no
you get
call
your
me.
number from?
Me see him up drive
Follow
past
no
Bird
call me.
Speed and me call
I tell you
him.
one day, say you're more sliding up. Tell her,
You know
son,
me
me tell
number. Follow me now, follow now my number.
Follow up your number, then now Fallon say she call you.
See, she a
I know we are talking about say you see my drive past. You know say two on a liar. It two on a
Come,
liar.
make we go
You
secret
know,
this
you
one.
know, see your babes there. See your babes there.
Sister, no joke.
Hey, second on this one.
I want one here, sir.
Babes, you turn down now.
Sister, you turn shit
You
soon.
know,
God.
business one who say
You
no.
cannot-
Me
you
done
cannot
bite
do
you
that.
already and me bite you again.
Just
Fallon, come in
believe
here.
your family over everything, man.
I choose sister.
Me wouldn't do that. Oh, me
I'll drive him, me
look
see
your
him
sister.
pass Bird Speed. I'm
Eh?
flag him down and
Me
call
couldn't do
him.
that. You
And
me
then
love
I
you,
call him,
so
I
me
tell
fi
her,
do
so me
that.
call him.
Eh?
Believe
Believe
me.
your sister.
Father
Just believe
God.
your sister, man. Me not go do that, man. Me not tell her from day one, man.
See it.
Oh,
Oh, go
God,
up
man.
and tell her.
Fallon, stop telling me because you push
Fallon,
fire to you know. Let me go, man. Me no want no hug up. Me will go down in a yard with my
Yeah,
sister. Me
just
just-
like how me find you and how you calm down, cause me just piece you one
But
day.
you're right, calm down, man.
Yes, that's your sister.
Look to me right on there, so me did that.
Yes, me
Me
glad you
call
calm
him, me call
down.
him. Me don't hear the woman come in. Check please, check the interest. Mr.
Yes,
That's
me
the
know
dirty
do hear
man
that,
there.
babes,
know,
man.
And him not have no credit either.
You know how far me reach when I
And
talk
we
to
are
me, come back
driving
and
and look
right
for your
on this
sister.
one.
Yeah, man, a true man. Believe your sister,
I who
man.
I
You tell her,
scheme
man.
we drive out.
You come
When
and
I tell
assault
to one
me,
girl,
you
you
deal
must
with
see her,
me.
you miss it. I know me sister that.
Yeah, but so you deal with me.
Here,
Wrongfully.
right now me tired, you know, me not tell her no lie.
No, no, dear, that, you know, babes, because I love you, you know.
So why
I love
him
you
so?
too.
Look here.
Yeah, babes,
all
I
of
make me
your
feel
stress.
away in front of sister, like.
You know, make me feel away too. Because it did look away for soon
Babes,
they
you have,
come out.
you have to go
But
have,
I
never
you
know
have to
what
go
you
have
want, they
some
look
trust
back.
and believe in your sister.
Believe. Just
Yeah,
unbelieve.
Yeah, babes.
Yeah.
I believe in him too.
Babes.
Later, yeah?
Alright.
Later, just unbelieve.
I'll come
Come
check you
on, your
tomorrow.
sister. Can't bother with it. Sister, see you now, go on. I'm going to run him, make him go on. Go on now. Go on now, you need to go on.
Run him, Fallon, run him.
Go on. Sister, in gone. Yeah, bend down and bend night back. This come like a deep them bed with it. Me lunch very them actually ahead. Can't even. Hey. Hello. Oh.
Where you deal with me bonononos? Where you deal with?
Out here, Budononos is here.
Your sister around her yard.
She there.
So your son, so.
But you ask me about Shifa.
Yeah, don't worry about that. You know, see, I plan to swing by Yara one check. You see me?
Give who a check?
Like your sister check, but you don't know you are my bonononos. So you don't know.
Yeah, use her make pass for come look for me. I must that. I don't really she here come look for me. I want to see. Pick them up here. I'm sure see I
No. You don't want to cook your own and pick them. You're right, you know.
You make sure friends don't do don't.
First thing, I'm in a eating mood. Palan.
So what you want to say?
I want to make you know yourself, so. I mean, should I have baked up and you go on the most ways, you know?
So you don't want to give me none of Aki. You want cookie without saltfish, no. If you black pepper, you not going to put pan in, you know.
You could have even drink the water alone and boil the Aki, me not business.
What
Something me I go tell you.
You make me bust, yeah.
Listen what me there say, put down your knife and put down something. You know what say, yesterday, when time you see me get mad and left you because you go out there so go chat to little idiot girl and me tell you say to avoid, me walk up on the beach and guess who me see? Chaplad, me see on the beach. When me look me see Chaplad and one girl and me see them when they eat ice cream and so, but me not go give you all like history
You don't go
because you love use things against me, you know. But anyhow, let me get to the point. You want to know, say, after Chaplad go come to confront me. You listen me, Falan?
Speak your mind or forever with your pieces.
Falan, just listen. If you don't want to listen, you tell me, say you don't want to hear.
Me I hear you.
Because me notice you all along, you know, you they grow wings, you know, Falan.
Talk where you say you see me over beach, over the beach, and
Yes,
ice
and me say,
cream.
me see my one girl. And
So me want to go back and mash up in Dolly house.
Falan, me can't just go mash up that.
No fear, man.
Falan, remember, say me left Chaplad because of you, you know. Remember, you know, you forget, say you forced me to left Chaplad and I did it. Alright. So anyhow, me hide and me watch Chaplad.
You still could have got cause problem if you want.
Me not cause no problem. Me no want nobody cause problem in a family life. Listen what me I say.
Fight over man and
Me hide and me a watch and when Chaplad see me, you know, have it they come ask me say when me they do over here so.
So you ask him the same thing too?
Falan, of course me ask him the same thing. You know I said the girl I'll put on a chuck for me so.
Somebody can't chuck me like me and
Me
the
just
girl.
a show you something. Me just a show you something. I catch me no catch her. She begs and go. She begs and go when she begs and go. Chaplad now they can't tell me but you left me for next month. And me carry envelope. You remember envelope and me carry come my yard Falan?
Yes.
Yes.
Come fill out a door.
You see something important in the envelope. I mean,
That's in a garbage.
which part in a garbage is that you Falan?
You want it back?
I want to see what in a eat Falan. Then me no must want to know why I eat.
Go dig up your dirty letter if you want. I'm going to look for your dirty letter. Go on now.
You know what it's mine, so I'm go.
Huh? I wish that every letter, every word, pan it wash out. Like, I wish the ink does mix up. See, you're not even can, and the microscope can make you find, see how what they pan it.
When that minute, I mean, what is the minute? I can't anything so it can go so I mean, I don't know she have moved so fast. Let me see. Let me see. What's this? No, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Straight up. Falan! Falan!
Me no want you know, relax me there, sir, relax, you know. Look,
Because if I never
you give me.
Falan, if I never you mother when you see this, look on the seat there. Falan, I ticket for two this, you know.
Me and you? We can't go and
That
find
was
over
then
there.
because guess what? If you never threw with this, I would have get to go see the Paris with Chaplad. Me could have sent for you after you see this. Oh God, Falan, funny amount of money up this up on the
Ratty
price
China.
with fear, Falan.
Me not believe this, let me see it. You not see this like a pay slip. All utility bill, man, chicar.
You know, see, you don't have no style, Falan. I don't read, you can't read or something. You see big all a ticket for two. Up here, so. You know, see big all a Paris up there, so you know, see big 30,000 US dollar paid. Right there, so.
Oh
You not see it. Falan, you not read good hour.
Me never seen it digit.
No,
there.
you ain't go see because a chop lad give me this. So what on there?
Say my money if you do them the something there. Where them get it from? I'm boss money thief, you know.
Which boss money chop
I don't know
lad
where
thing?
my work
You
is.
always have bad things to say about chop lad in a Falan. You always have
Him not
bad
your
things to say.
partner. Him not save. What?
Are you and Chappy did there? Or me and Chappy did there?
I be a walk, him walk, carry go eat food.
But you don't know nothing about
then
him
you talk.
background, Falan, and see that this real.
And you say you
See
eat.
there, see my name.
And I regular you come back with a belly
Falan.
empty.
You
And
don't
I
know
tell me
nothing
about
about
you
me.
eat. You
You
can't
don't know
trick
nothing
me.
about me. Make sure say when you go, your belly there full enough.
Hey, anyway, me I
Okay.
go, me can't yam, me not stand
And you see
there.
because of, you know, this. Now have no use.
Any man who can't feed me,
again.
me not stay.
So you only consider about your belly.
If
and your
him can't feed them, can't take care of you, you know.
Harris,
Yes.
ticket for two.
Pan him eat two wing them so.
Jesus Christ, you know me that dying figure one of them places with a Lamborghini fully AC done. Luxury.
Yeah, man. You sure the donkey cart?
Falan, this is not a joke thing, you know, Falan.
They face the liar trouble.
Master bedroom fit two.
A cottage, a tree
fit
house.
two. God, Falan, you know what I mean by sea view? It means say you not look down for no heap of flowers.
One big
You
dirty
look
area
out in
look
the
pan down,
ocean.
sister.
Falan, no.
A backside, and why you see
no,
big
boy,
backside, so? No follow him.
You see, you have to stop downgrade people and you're going to drop on your fears
So what
in
do,
the
sister?
life.
Where do?
Remember me tell you.
Well, alright then, sister. You lick it jackpot, sister. Sister, you lick it jackpot.
Wait a minute, where you talk about lick jackpot? Me lick jackpot after you make me lose him. After you make me lose him, me make up. After you make me lose him, I talk about lick jackpot. Me just wait. I'm going to run, go with bag. You know what? Let's go. Why? Stop. Yes, stop. Why? Let me see, say you're Hey!
Hold on, now what you
Let
want?
me go. Take her out from me.
me
Me
can't
can't
fight your
put a
sister.
leash pan her when I see when my sister fight. Me let me go,
Me
let me go.
me can't fight your sister.
What make you not say what make me sister fight? You sound like you. Sure. Let me go now, man.
What problem?
Everything alright.
You don't have argument with me here.
Everything good.
You chop with a leash, man. That's yeah.
Behave yourself. What is wrong with
Big
you?
old green lizard full of still a green.
Yeah, green lizard too. It's one way a green
Yeah,
lizard.
bright, a green lizard.
Yeah, cotton lizard.
Yeah, brighter one.
Hold on, just school now. Come on, thy son. What problem?
So she want to take
Everything
some
alright.
family for.
Hold on, calm down now.
You
What me gonna fight? Eh?
Better you go on over yard, you know, because you always the pick argument and the pick fight with me. And then make it look like I see me a bad one. You better go on over yard.
What
Come
problem?
on from it too, you know.
The moonshine, darling. Take off your clothes and gun.
Yeah, nah, me not get too nice for
No.
the fight.
When your teacher call you, a big dopey.
You see, now one moment for you tell me about no niceness.
No, but at first we see the
Niceness now
behave them
gonna
way.
look
What
here.
problem? What?
Yeah. Come if you take lick. Oh, me a Steven Seagal. You better hold her over there. Come on, bust her head with me handbag.
You better stop, run.
Come man, you no stop man, you no sister man, you no can't the babes up on the street. Eh? You can't tell me what problem.
Me nobody want another aki there, no. Me nobody want another aki there. But that's still.
Eh? Follow no what problem, you no sister, you no must can't tell me. What problem?
What you want to rectify now?
What problem?
We the one hand for me for still.
Me have to try part, you know, cause no blood hot. Hold on, what problem? Eh?
Me no know
What
ask you.
problem?
Look here, me not in a mood
Eh?
to explain. Ask Falan, you come. Look here. You not come and grab me up there so you're the
Calm
fight
down,
and
man.
me a hold on
Calm
fight.
down, man. Mind your
Yeah.
pressure, man. Just calm down now. You can't behave some. Hold on, what problem?
Figure it out. Do the maths. Subtract and divide and do what you want to do with it.
What is the problem?
You not hear what Falan say? Figure it out.
A box of a box are for me.
No, you come box me.
Hey.
You come. What make you want him to back? Hey, look here.
Calm down, no, man. Just calm down, man. You need to relax.
You know what?
Warm to you.
You see, at this point,
Jesus.
you reach to a point and a moment in my life where I just want to go breeze out Me just want to go clear my mind. You understand? Me just
Which part
need
of you
some
want
time.
breeze
Me
out?
just
Where
want to go
you want
somewhere
breeze
far.
out? I could have
Yeah,
where
you
you want to
understand?
go breeze out?
Me want me to go somewhere far. You can't make me go somewhere far. You can't make me go one small island or something.
So why you
Just
never
to
say
relax.
why you never say a word? Eh? Why problem?
What you mean why problem? Me I tell you why problem. Falan, what is your problem? No draw near you say no. When you see a one, you go make we go cool out or what?
Next 2 weeks.
Dan, you better answer now.
Next week. Me no want you talk. Me no want you talk for me Falan. Me
Hold
have
on.
want for myself.
Shayna,
Me you don't
listen
know 10 years old are you, you know?
What you mean so?
Hey, relax
You
now.
cannot let
Babes, that's cool now, Shayna.
Let her go, let her go.
Listen now.
one. Just me
You
just
see you
tell
want
me
cool
what.
out. In
Falan,
next
what?
two,
Go on
relax
over
now.
your yard.
Look, Pam, in next 2 weeks, cause me have some work I do right now. Me have
Me
some
wouldn't mind
whole
ready
heap
now.
of business.
Me wouldn't mind
See?
ready now.
You have your passport and
Me
everything.
have
like.
everything locked.
Follow, soon
What
talk.
you know? What kind of
She more damage,
What you
yeah.
know? What
She
you know?
more damage.
Listen, me
You
now.
know say me want talk to you.
Me not left.
Calm down,
You
man.
know- you
Let me
know-
sit here,
And where you are go?
Who you want ask about where we are go
Sit here,
because
sister.
I him you ask cause I couldn't make
couldn't
a me
mean.
and a friend you know.
I don't mean
just
follow not talk. I don't mean.
I'm a sister,
Hey,
me a talk.
look here, look here.
Watch
Watch yourself in a follow.
I'm a sister, me a talk. Me and a sister same way, girl.
You know say me not understand you need
Watch them. I have to mash up the dolly house there.
You don't know who you like to.
It's either me or no one.
Calm down, man, and relax yourself, man. Where you see I go to wash off
Here,
your
me I
face?
go wash my face over here and come back. You notice you're kind of a little bit hot too, you know. And you see my
Yes.
sister, me and my sister not in a known dealings right now. You hear what me I say? Me
Yes.
no want to come see you near my sister.
Babe, don't worry yourself,
You don't
man.
know
Go and
who
go
you
calm
are.
down
You
yourself,
don't know
man.
who you are.
Your blood too hot, man. You can't look for your sister. Jeez, I'm pleased. You can't tell me.
Over you, of course, and free wrong with you.
Hey, Falan, you can't share. That's
She don't really figure it out, really. But me a fight her for you. You know me a fight for you, ask what me a fight for.
Falan, you can't share. You get the money.
Me nah,
she
me
get
nah,
the
me.
Tuesday. Falan, you can't get the money on Tuesday, then and she get the Wednesday and Thursday.
Every day.
No, you can't get it. You have to share.
You think you can grow tree before me have to carry me on what you supposed to hear?
Take time, talk.
I bet me load up my mouth.
Falan, just plan somewhere. She plan somewhere where she want to go, but you never have no plan.
Carry me with carry me. Tell her say she can carry me for makeup with because we are sister.
Falan, I have whole heap of money in our next account, but she don't know about that. We can split it in a half and get
Put
half.
me name in there.
Next week,
tomorrow.
Next week Wednesday, me have some business with the Falan. So just believe me, no, man. Just believe me, man.
Me no business. You see, ready? Shh. Me fishy. You dey tell me fishy when you trouble me.
Alright. Where decide to do now?
Look here. Right now, me just want to come out of here. Me just want to go somewhere go chill.
Yeah, man. Let me hear something.
Me no want have to look for my sister because she kill me and me kill. Something not go on. Me can't go in a bus by myself.
Better call me now.
Just exhaust.
At the time, I look and say,
No
tired.
man,
it's
go
time.
and look for your tire.
Hold on.
Sister, so me can't come with you. Now because me just fight. Watch her.
One thing me have to tell you, you know, walk far from me, you know. You see us from today, and we are no more sister. Look here, just leave me. Me can't have a word with my sister. Me can't talk to her. All right.
Can I go and come? I not trust her. She come strong to me herself.
Here's my check. What goes around must come around. Anything in the dark, you know, come to life.
I get money. And there's lots more where that came from. She better believe it. You can't go on all you want. Go on. I just look a bit of drive out here again and then come back.
Chosen, where you said that?
I'm gonna tell you I'm pregnant with a baby. Like for real, I'm pregnant, what do you mean? Look how many times we must have boobs, box, boobs.
Chosen not sure say I'm my baby.
What do you mean if I'm sure? Of course I'm sure what you mean by that. For real, you're pregnant and excited to be a baby mother.
Me no really comprehend what you just said to me, cause you can't just tell me say you're pregnant. Jacket you want come give me and my pitney that. Me no want no pitney.
Don't say that. Don't do that. Don't say that. Because when we were all lovey-dovey before you meet the people, them and move on and a show off for me, it was all good. And don't say that. You know me wouldn't do that. Don't say that.
Chosen. Although,
We made this
you can't
style
go on.
together.
No man, and my youth man. Jacket you want come give me.
So style for me, I feel style and disrespect much time for your new girl them.
Chosen, that's cool no man. You see if I'm my youth, me take care of me do anything for you. You see what I mean? Anything me do for you, you know.
I want you for the year for me and the youth and make sure to work out
jacket
things.
you come give me.
But no, you know jacket, don't say that. Stop that no.
Oh,
Me
me go
mother.
know say I'm my youth. Eh?
Listen, you have to do that for me now. You have to do the right thing, you know, because me have to be healthy throughout the pregnancy. Right now, I feel like you stress me out. You should even the second guess if you're youth, because me the good and you left me. You have to do that for doctor's appointments, me have to eat healthy. You want handicap pitney for born. You know, want your pitney for healthy, you have to be healthy and strong. So you can grow good and grow brilliant and intelligent and the good things them.
Okay. You see all of them things there? I'm not telling no lie, no. You see my father would have want me do the right thing, you know.
Yeah, because I know
And
you
I feel
come from good family.
say me I go do the right thing, you know. Chosen. Me will take care of all responsibility. If I'm my child, me go the extra mile. Me work night and me work day. Just to make sure no say my youth survive. That's what I mean.
Yeah, because I have to be healthy. I'm going to do that for me and make sure to
Chosen.
work out things.
I go
please,
take care
like,
of all your
please.
doctor bill, all your doctor appointment them,
Yeah.
and make sure so you get your grocery 2 times per week.
No, you have to
To
make sure
say the baby healthy. As a matter of fact, as a baby born, you have to do a DNA. You have to go give me back everything if I not for me pitney.
No, don't say that. That not happen. If I want girl, what you gonna name her? Or if I want boy, what we gonna name the baby?
Hey, Chosen, you know what? Come out of my bus.
So we are going so far.
Hey.
When you just there so talk good.
I take things too far. Chosen,
Yeah, I'm a good baby father, whether you like it or not. And make sure I'm healthy and strong. And you can't push me, I go hurt you, baby.
I make sure you take care of idea.